Uy, patay. May checkpoint.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
So good afternoon po. Kami po ni Brother Brian, kasama ko siya ngayon, na maghahanap tayo ng ng taong may mabuting puso, mabuting loob, na kung sino man yung makitaan namin, makita natin sa kanya yung karapat dapat siya na pagpalain, at talagang kailangan niya to. So yun, tara, God bless. So ngayon, mamimili muna tayo ng ipamimigay natin. So itong tulong na to ay galing sa ating pastor. Maraming salamat, Pastor John. At ibabahagi natin ngayon sa talaga nangangailangan. So ang instruction sa amin ni Pastor is isda, gulay, bigas at prutas.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could
Yeah.
be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far, play you guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone, took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now. I remember everything, and how careless we got. It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we got.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how
Uy, patay. Checkpoint.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Yeah. Okay po. Sige po. Kami po ay naghahanap ng mga matutulungan. Meron po kami dito. Opo. Operation. Kasi po.
Ano?
Thank you po. Thank you po.
careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We love to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
It's too late now. I remember everything, and how careless we got. It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we got.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could.
Isang basa na yun. Ito na lang. Mga nakakita ako ng ano.
Target locked.
Ito na lang si tatay. Pagbilan po. May soft drinks po kayo, ate? Apo. Coke lang po. Isa lang po. Magkano po? 15. Okay.
Sa bote, 10.
15. Lang, taga lang. Tanong ko lang. Tay, pwede po mangingi ng tulong? Ano po kasi, bumili kami, kinapos kami, naiwanan ko yung pera ko. Kulang po ng 5 piso. Ay, salamat po tay. Balik ko na lang po tay kapag ano po. Talaga. Ang bait na tatay. Teka lang tayo. Nakakapos kasi. Ay. Sige tayo. Say, salamat po. Tayo say. Kakabalin mo dyan. Bait na itang tatay. Ha? Papayramen daw tayo. Salamat kuya. Salamat po. Naiwan kasi. Ay, sobra kuya. 5 piso lang. Ay, salamat po. Ate, ito po. Oh. Salamat po. Tay! Sobra po yung naibigay. Sobra po eh. Hindi naman po ano. Ano po, balik na lang po namin pag ano po. Ay, salamat po. Sige po. Tara po. Sige po tayo. Salamat po. Kita niyo yun? Kita niyo yun, di ba? So, kahit hindi tayo kilala, binigyan tayo ng tulong. Tinulungan tayo ni tatay kahit na ganun. Siguro pakalayo muna tayo, tapos balik tayo. Yung magpapakatapat na naman yung motor natin. Tapos, mabalik ulit tayo. Okay, siguro dito, no? Balikan na natin si tatay. Ang bait niya. Dahil mabait siya, dapat siyang palain. Share natin yung blessing sa kanya. Ay tay, kalimutan namin. Ano po? Tawag dito. May tatanong lang po kami. Ba't nyo po kami tinulungan sa ano? Sa kinapos po kami.
Ay, nangalaki ng tulong sa
Ganun po. Maraming salamat tayo pero dahil mabuti po ang inyong puso, may dala po kami dito na para sa inyo. Yan. Oops. Ano tay, para sa inyo talaga to tay, para sa mga taong mabubuting puso, no. Tay, ito po, para pang-ulam nyo po, mayroon po tayo ditong isda, prutas, bigas at gulay. Ayan, binili po namin yan dyan sa palengke. Talaga naganap kami tayo ng mabuting puso na katulad nyo po na talagang, kasi parang iilan na lang eh, katulad ngayon, di ba, may pandemya. Tapos, syempre, kailangan natin. Pero kayo, hindi kayo nag-aatubili na tumulong sa iba.
Malaturan tayo kayo.
Opo.
Hindi ka naman kung meron. Kung wala pa.
Opo, tama po. Tay, maraming salamat sa inyo, Tay. Sana dumami yung mga taong katulad nyo na may ganitong puso na bukod sa nararanasan nating handa talagang tumulong. Tay, okay lang po ba na malaman ko ang pangalan nyo?
Pwede rin.
Ano pong pangalan nyo, Tay? Ha?
Boy Pasya.
Boy Pasha. Ako po si Matthew at si Brian po. Actually, taga Baseco lang din po kami. Siya po taga Block 7, ako po Block 1. Ayan, Tay, pwede po ba namin kayong ipanalangin sa saglit?
Mas maganda ngayon.
Opo. Sige po, okay, sige po, panalangin ko po kayo. Panginoon, maraming salamat sa pagkakataong ito na binigay niyo sa amin, Panginoon, na si tatay na tumulong sa amin, Panginoon, na hindi siya nagatubili. Panginoon, dalangin namin, Panginoon, ang inyong pagpapala sa kanya, sa kanyang buhay, sa kanyang pamilya, Panginoon, sa kanyang kalusugan, Panginoon. Lord, kayo po ang bahalang mag-bless sa kanya. Panginoon, ito pong biyaya na pinahatid nyo sa kanya, Panginoon, ay simple lang, napakaliit. Pero, Panginoon, madudugtungan ng araw na makakain sila, Panginoon, ng masarap, Panginoon. Lord, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Pagpalain nyo po si tatay at kayo po ang bahala sa kanyang buhay, Panginoon. Maraming salamat sa pangalan, Panginoon. Amen.